Hello everyone, welcome you back in my YouTube channel Mausam Science. Okay, if you are really interested on the educational and informative video of science, then you can join my channel by clicking the icon of subscribe and press the bell icon so that if I bring any kind of new video, it will be directly delivered to you in the same time. So, while preparing the video, sometime I may use whiteboard and sometime without whiteboard. So, please don't feel hesitate to watch this video. If you have anything related to this video, you can use the comment section to write your comment. Okay. So, now I want to move towards the today's topic. Our today's topic is sun the ultimate source of energy? Okay, sun is the ultimate source of energy or not? So for that we need to understand the word ultimate and we need to understand the word energy. Ultimate means the extreme main. Okay, is sun the main source of energy for us or not? Okay, we will conclude this with the answer yes or no by studying some points, and after this video definitely you will know whether the sun is ultimate source of energy or not. So I want to go through the term energy. Okay, energy is the ability of a body to do work. Okay, if a body, any kind of body, if the body have ability to do work, ability means, okay, if the body can do work, that means the body have energy. If the body cannot do work, that means the body do not have energy. The content is very simple. The definition is very simple. Okay, suppose this object have this person has the ability to lift up a big stone of mass, okay, 10 kg. If he can lift up the stone of mass 10 kg, then what happen? He have energy. If he cannot lift, he do not have energy, because 10 kg mass can be easily lifted by a adult person. He is adult. Okay, so now I want to go through the different terms, okay, different energy which we know in our daily life. Let us take some example: electrical energy, wind energy, geothermal energy, natural energy, and food energy. Okay, we'll discuss. Okay, electrical energy means what? Electrical energy means we know electricity. Okay, the energy which is produced by electricity is known as electrical energy. There are different source of electricity: solar energy, another one is wind energy, and another one is water energy, which is produced by a river water. So solar energy is directly related with electrical energy, we know, because in our house we have a photo cell. Okay, photo cell, that solar panel we call it. Okay, that converts solar energy into electrical energy. We are all familiar with these terms. So wind energy, we are going to discuss wind energy. So later on, if wind energy is related with solar energy or the energy of sun, that means wind can rotate a turbine, which we can see in the windy area. Okay, where there is a lot of wind, we use a turbine to generate electricity. We'll leave this later, we'll discuss later in this second point. And here water energy. Okay, how we know that river water can generate electricity. Okay, how it generate, I'm not going to talk about that, but we call the water which generate electricity which is known as a hydroelectricity. That is called a hydroelectricity, because the word hydro means water. Okay, now we know the water cycle. Okay, water cycle means the cycle of water coming up, going up and coming down. Okay, there is a sun. Okay, suppose there is a sun. Okay, this one is sun. Sun is heating the river water. Okay, it is taking up formation of cloud, and later on when the cloud gets interact due to some means, okay, then what happen? There will be a rainfall. Okay, and in the high Himalayan there will be a snowfall. So I want to take the next page. So suppose there is a Himalaya. Okay, and there is a flow of river, and the river finally ends in a sea. So what happened? There will be a water everywhere when there is a rainfall. In Himalayas there will be a snowfall, and Himalaya is full of snow, as we can see in our context of our country Nepal. Okay, Nepal is a country full of Himalaya from east to west. So what happened? From east to west, the river flows from north to south direction. In this context of our country, Nepal, okay, it flows from higher level to lower level. While flowing from higher level to lower level, the water have definitely some kind of energy. So this energy hits the turbine. Okay, the turbine will be rotated. Okay, with the natural source, and what even electricity is produced. If you have the idea of how, then you can see a generator. Okay, generator rotates is rotated through a petrol or diesel, and after that what happen, it produces electricity by same way. That means hydroelectricity or electrical energy is the um, substituent of solar energy. That means without sun, there is no any flow of water and no any electricity can be generated. Okay, I want to end up only this much. So next one, we'll see about the wind energy. Okay, wind blows, two number, wind energy. Okay, how does a wind blow? Okay, we know that hot air rises up. Okay, hot air rises up, so that we have made a ventilation in our room. Okay, hot air rises up and goes out from the ventilation. Cold air comes from the window and fill the vacant space. So same thing happens in the surface of Earth. Okay, there is a sun. Then what happens? The surface of Earth gets heated. Okay, during daytime. Then what happens? It goes up, and this position will be fulfilled by the cold air from another side. That means wind blows like this. There are different terms: sea breeze, land breeze. Okay, there are, and that are also the alternative terms of wind energy. Okay, alternative method of to describe wind energy. But here I am talking about the sun. It heats the air, hot air rises up, and the cold air comes in the place of hot air. So what happens? There is a formation of wind. That means wind energy is also directly proportional to solar energy. That means without solar energy, there will not be a wind energy. That means if there is no any wind energy, then electrical energy also cannot be produced through wind, through a turbine. Okay, so these are the terms. Okay, we have already interrelated this thing. Now I want to move to the another source. Okay, that is geothermal energy. Okay, what do you mean by geothermal energy? That means our earth is made up of three different layers. Okay, our earth is made up of three different layers. The outer surface is called crust, inner surface is called mantle, and lower surface is called core. And as we go deeper inside the earth, okay, we have not gone so much deeper. If we go deeper inside the earth, then the temperature of earth starts to increase. Okay, there is a hot molten magma in this surface. Okay, lava in this surface. Okay, hot molten substances in this surface. So as we call this core, okay, the temperature of core is about 6000 degrees Celsius. It is very huge temperature, because in 100 degrees Celsius water boils. You can easily imagine what is 6000 degree Celsius. So now I want to go through this term. That means we can use the heat energy from internal surface of earth, and those energy is known as a geothermal energy. Okay, the heat energy which is obtained from the earth's surface. Now how it is related with sun? Okay, whether sun is the ultimate source of energy or not, for this term we need to define. We have some kind of hypothesis of the origin of earth. Okay, hypothesis of origin of earth. Okay, okay, what do you mean by hypothesis? Okay, hypotheses are those words which do not have a scientific fact, but it is believed till now. Okay, because there is no any other belief than this. Okay, there is no any scientific proof, but the hypothesis is that, okay, it is a belief that sun, okay, along with other planets is the part of, sorry, earth, and along the with earth there are other eight um, Other seven planets, altogether there are eight planets in the solar system. Okay, those planets are formed from the part of sun. Before many years, okay, before billions of years, around 4 to 5 billions of years, okay, sun get broke down, okay, to the pieces, and other planets are formed from this. Okay, it is one part of hypothesis. There are many hypotheses, there are many belief, but all the belief is same, that all the planets are the part of sun. That means this geothermal energy is also the part of sun. Okay, the hot ball of fire is break down into pieces, and the outer surface is cooled down after many years, and there is a human settlement in the outer surface, but inner surface is still hot. That is known as geothermal energy. So it is related with solar energy. Okay, I want to conclude only this much, because it is proved that geothermal energy is also related with solar energy. Now, the another term is natural energy. We call it petroleum, diesel. Oh no, petroleum contains this thing. Okay, natural gas. These are the terms. So, how these kind of things are delivered, are derived from solar energy. Okay, let us see. Our earth is there. Okay, after the hypothesis, the earth's surface began to cool down. Okay, as soon as the earth's surface cooled down, okay, there were the bacteria and all. Okay, and after that, slowly the plants started to grow in earth. Okay, human life directly did not came in earth. So after many years only human life came in earth. So before human life there were trees and plants all over the earth. Okay, it is full of trees. On the land part of earth is full of trees. So what happened, many trees grew old, and due to some extreme condition, earthquake, volcano and all, okay, these trees got fall down on the surface of earth. Okay, these trees fell down on the surface of earth. So what happened, okay, it decayed. Okay, it decayed to the rotten matter, and it is converted into mud. Okay, as a fossil. Okay, as a fossil it is converted into mud. So I want to give you a fact that for 1 inch of soil formation in earth, it takes about 500 years. So after many years only the human settlement have been started in earth. So now we are taking out those petroleum products, natural energy. Now let us see how the natural energy gets pumped. These trees, okay, will be on the surface of earth, many new plants growing on, old plants dead and fallen down. Okay, I'm not talking about 10 50 years, I'm talking about thousand of years, okay, millions of years. So at that time it is possible the trees will fall down and it will be covered with the soil. So what happened, the trees will be inside the surface of earth now. So it will be converted to the natural energy. You can see that, suppose this is the surface of earth. Okay, downward there will be a liquid, okay, which is called a petroleum, and upper one there is a gas, although it looks like liquid. Okay, because gas goes up, liquid comes down. So what even, it will be in some certain space inside the earth. Okay, this natural gas and petroleum will be certain depth below the surface of earth. So nowadays the people are taking out this petroleum product. Petroleum are the raw oil. Okay, we call it as a crude oil, which will be refined to produce a petrol and diesel. Okay, petrol and diesel, it will be refined directly, it cannot be used. Okay, so these are the fact. So what even, how these trees, the source is trees, okay, natural plants, because natural energy is comes from the natural source. And you know that trees can develop only if they get their food. And we know that plants only get their food in presence of sunlight. The process is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Okay. With this process, only plant can prepare food, plant can grow, plant can give fruits, okay, to us. It can take food only in the presence of sun, its own food. We cannot see the food of plant. It will be produced in the leaf and it will be taken in the different parts of plant. Okay, these are the things. So now plant is the source of plant is growth of plant is only possible due to sunlight, and plants um, will be old. It will be its life will be completed, so it will be rotten. It will be covered with soil. Okay, and there will be the formation of petrol and diesel, and it is the natural energy source. So definitely natural energy is also related with solar energy. So now the other one is food energy. Okay, natural energy and food energy are interrelated with each other because food is provided by plants and animals. Okay, there are many sources of food which we take. If you consume meat, um, it is possible from animals. If you do not consume meat, it is possible from plant. So you know that plant prepare food, plant can grow, plant can live only because of sunlight, otherwise it cannot live. So whether we eat the food from plants, then the sunlight energy from sunlight will be delivered to plant. Plant gives energy to us so we can work properly, we can see this video properly, I can prepare this video properly because of energy. If I do not have energy, I cannot produce this video, I cannot speak here, I cannot write here. So if you do not have energy, you cannot see, you cannot handle your mobile phone, you cannot learn, you cannot get any ideas, because without energy we cannot do anything. So another one is animals. So animals depend upon plant. Okay, okay, any kind of animal, whether they are a primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumer, they depend upon plant. Okay, suppose tiger, how tiger depend upon plant? Tiger eats deer, but deer eats grass. So that's why animals are also interdependent upon plant. So that's why food energy, or we call it as a chemical energy, okay, which is stored in the food, that is a part of solar energy. So as we move in our today's topic, is sun the ultimate source of energy? Yes, the answer is yes. Yes, the sun is ultimate source of energy because of different types of example which we have dealt in our today's class. Okay, we have seen electrical energy is the part of solar energy, wind energy is the part of solar energy, geothermal energy is the part of solar energy, natural energy is also a part of solar energy, food energy is also a part of solar energy. So that's why sun is the main source of energy for our earth. Okay, okay, now after saying this much, it is a time to say goodbye. So before saying goodbye, I would like to request you, whether you like this video or not, if you want some changes, okay, for your pleasure, for your convenience, then you can please comment me. Okay, if you have any kind of suggestion for me, and if you understood this video, then please say in the comment that I have understood, so that it will motivate me for preparing a new video in the coming days. Hope you will stay fine, well, and we'll meet again in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and a goodbye, everyone. Thank you very much.